So when we talk about tech career, what comes to your mind? Software developer, automation engineer, engineering manager, and so on, and the architect. How about sales? You don't want sales roles, do you? So you heard enough about sales and how painful it is. So you keep getting calls from Bajaj Finance, and then you may have cut the call. And you may have seen many sales guys on the road who are trying to sell, and again nobody entertains them. You don't want such rejections and you don't want such humiliating pressures, isn't it? And on top of that, the targets. Who wants that? Nobody wants that. If you have such thoughts in mind, just hear me out. So, sales roles may not be that bad. Sales roles can be very, very technical. They are technical. An architect can be a very good sales guy. So, we all know that NVIDIA is a GPU company. NVIDIA is the AI company. NVIDIA did their annual GTC recently, I think a couple of weeks back. There was one guy named Krish Nayak. Have you heard of him? He is a YouTuber. He just makes tutorials, machine learning tutorials and other AI tutorials. So he recently posted a photo of him with NVIDIA CEO. So CEO of a $1 trillion company, he is talking to an YouTuber, an educator who creates tutorials. Why? Because this YouTuber is going to do their sales. You will never notice him selling anything there. He is certainly not asking you to buy NVIDIA. He is not certainly asking you, okay, click this link and then pay here. He is not doing that. What is he doing? He is only creating tutorials. How to use machine learning. What hardware to use for that particular tutorial. That's it. So many of the technical sales roles are like that. They don't really have to do the sales. They just have to educate people. See, what happens in tech products is that the solution depends upon multiple building blocks of the tech. So in the tech stack, they will say that, okay, pick this hardware, pick that library, and then put together and do something else and take data from here and then use this cloud option. So this is how a solution is built. Now in a tutorial, when you hear that, as a developer, right, you are going to be very comfortable with that particular stack. And if you as a developer or as an architect, when it comes to a particular end user need, you are just going to pick the same hardware, same library and things like that, because you already know them. You are going to build your solution around that. That's how the sales happens. So here the very crucial thing is the familiarity. The tech keeps evolving and solutions are complex. Multiple things have to come together. Whoever can build a story on how their product can be used for a particular solution, right? That is the real sales work there. If that happens, the operations of the sales is easier part. There are other distributors, there are many other, the standard operational aspects. But the crucial thing is this technical solution. Many of these YouTubers like Krish Nayak, they just create the tutorials and when they use the particular product, whoever follows them are just going to use the same thing. So that is the power of technical sales. You don't really sell anything, you are just educating people. So because of this, I am telling you, if you are a very techie, if you like giving customer solutions, maybe technical sales is a very, very good career path for you. Don't be turned off by the word sales. Things will work out the moment you keep this mental block out.